gentlemen, boys and girls, allow me to greet you. I hope this finds you well and in good spirits. Kahle kahle sicela ukuphuma ku prayer manje. Saint Studios wenza izimanga ngale ngemva. So I so wish ngabe bekuthiwa khona la eroomini ebenizo understand why i-energy ihamba ngale ndlela la. My sister, good morning. How are you?
Morning, say
All right.
I'm okay.
Okay, maybe kuzobuke afternoon mababukela. I don't know. Uthi mara ngathi ufake nestuka lapho. Uthathu khambani uyi-Big 5. Yesande stuka.
Isokuganga.
Ubhale Sibusiso, ubhale bani lapho? Ubani ubhale lapho?
Dragon.
Dragon.
Hlala.
Wavele wafana nayo ngeke. Ha? Ibuya blend istuka zani lesi?
Ngabe ngidala nje sakhula
Yeah.
ukuganga kwamathathu nana.
Serious. Boyithompo ishinyana so. Yeah. Okay, asibabingelele ke nayi camera yakhe enhle yabona.
Okay.
Yeah, leno uma ufaka iVaseline vele ube ngathi ufaka iVaseline isenze izinto eziserious la.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Igama nesibongo ubani?
Igama lami uMpho Magwada ngisuka eDeepkloof Soweto.
Is that? Okay. Uzalelwa khona Soweto.
Ngizayelwa khona.
Danke siyabonga. All right, that's how we kick it off, ladies and gents. So don't forget to like, to subscribe, and share so that the community cool rapidly. And we've seen numbers. Yeah, no, they are really numbering, and we are happy. And I really hope we're still delivering to you, ladies and gents. Now, Nana, ngifuna understand kahle hle ukuthi ubekwa intoni apha. Yeah, une story eside kakhulu mara ngifuna sisikhathi very short. So that I don't like keeping people for long. Yeah, we respect people's times. Because I always say the only thing that will affect us in this life, it's time and change. So must figure lana begu quarter past something. Yabona ngathi ku 20 past something. So yeah, ngicela ungene ukhulela phi ke uzalwa ubani?
Ngikhulela eDeepkloof, ngizalwa uAngelina Magwada. Odefu akakhulumi akaze nje wakhuluma empilweni yakhe. Kodwa ngikhula under icare kamamakhe, mama kaAngie which is ugogo wami.
Gogo, yeah.
Yebo. So ngikhule ekhaya nje elingekho right. Like financially, uthando, necare bengekho. So umama njengoba adefu beka disabled akakwazi ukuzenzela izinto, akwazi ukuzela toilet. So beka abuse umamakhe including nabo brothers bakhe. La ngoba besihlala kuyimi umama nama brothers wakhe, yeah. So bebamhlukumeza in a way ukuthi sometimes beka nokulala ngagezanga, alala ngadlanga, angayina nasesibhedlela ukuyolanda i-medication or i-check up or umuntu nje bekaphila njenge prisoner nje phela.
Ithi ngubambulimi ungakhohlwa labo khona because mawuthi beka so ukhuluma umamakho kwi past tense.
Yes.
So is there a reason for that?
Because akasahlali nami uhlala nokhokho wami manje.
Oh, okay, mara usaphila uma.
Usaphila.
I'm happy. God is great. Okay, noqhubeka ke.
So yeah, umama ukhule yena mangizwa bathi ukhule vele deaf. But i-disability nokungakwazi ukuzenzela izinto bekakhona. So ukuya cause of mangizwa istory ukuthi bathi umamami was raped. Asase young. Kuze kuzoba nami and there's ubrother wami ngilamayo. So makazodlengulwa kanjalo umamami akazange aphinda be right. Uvele waba traumatized in a way ukuthi nomzimba uyayehla ngapha necare nempatho ayikho. So uvele wayehla emzimbeni kwaba ngathi manje umuntu ongana family, umuntu ohlala ayi1. Like angazi ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani but bekuba ngathi akana bazali. Because of beka lose iweight in a way ukuthi nabantu bebabuza ukuthi lo muntu kuze azoyehla kanje emzimbeni kwenzakalani right na namise clinic and nakhona futhi bengicamba manga ebantwini because mangizothi asimise clinic futhi ngiyobuza imibuzo. So I would say yes siyamise clinic right unje knowing ukuthi ngicamba manga.
Okay, yabona manje ngifuna sibe, I wouldn't want to say factual, but I would want to build a case because I know there's a testimony engizoyifaka, you know, over and above. Kunomfundisi okwakhuluma laphana, umfundisi uSoli Mahlangu sise Mafikeng, akhuluma ukuthi awufana lama circumstances wakho yabona. So washo ukuthi uyi product and something happened to umamakhe kwafika yahuka umuntu othengisayo wavula umnyango kanti uvulela isigebengu. The next thing, she was violated. As a result of the incident, and then waconceive ke umama kwaba ukuthi kuzalwa yena. So and of course he is not even looking back. He doesn't even want to know ukuthi loya guy waphelelaphi kwenzakalani. So whether mhlambi issue ukuthi unobaba kana baba, now ngifuna ukuyithatha ngiyise kuwe. Now that kukhulunywa ukuthi kube ne violation, ngifuna ukuyigcokisa kahle ngingayihambisa imapuna lento le yabona ikwazi ukuhlonipheka, sikhuluma ngemphefumulo. So lento wena ik-affect kangakanani? Do you ever ask a question ukuthi kahle kahle vele that's why mhlambe izinto zingahlangani because ngiyi-product eyale violation, or uke walandelela ukuthi ubani kahle kahle lo muntu waviolate umama njengoba mina ngiphuma? Umama akezwa or akakhulumi futhi or akezwa kuphela?
Umama akezwa akakhulumi.
Yo.
So yes, lento ingihlukumeza kakhulu ukuthi bengizibuza nami self ukuthi why it happened and why yenzeke kuye.
Yeah.
And why la ekhaya singathandwa nathi njengabantwana bakhe. Because at first it will come to my mind ukuthi why bangitreata kanje? Why butamba bamtreata kanje?
Yeah.
Then when time goes on, I could see it's because of mhlambe she was sexually violated. That's why bas-treat her so. But yeah, ukhona ukubhlungu buzwile kakhulu.
So okay, mawulandelela ke manje because for the fact that uzwile mhlambe akubalekanga mhlambe uzwe ngobani uyabona, then mawuyihlanganisa wena lento le, is it closer to a reality? Is there a way umama uyakwazi ukubhala mhlambe phansi?
Umama akasakwazi ukubhala because of nasesikoleni bamyekisa early.
Yeah.
So nokusayina isa language akasayikhoni, including nokubhala akasakwazi nix.
Yo. So mara i-conviction ukuze wena uthi no showcase mina ngiyi-product yale violation uconfirma kanjani wena? Ubani uconfirmelayo ukuthi no lento ekhulunywa vele umama truly and honestly, because akekho umuntu okwavela wathi ubabami angakezwe umuntu mina since ngilo ngihamba sema-family meetings and what abantu baya-enjoya kunama-family whatever gatherings, but mina akunamuntu ovelayo uthi ubabami.
Okay, after the last podcast, so abantu bake bavela vele bangitshela ukuthi no bebesaba ukungitshela. And it's true, it happened, but not knowing ukuthi between the three uncles who is my father, but they know ukuthi it happened.
Ibambe manje, it gets deeper. So balabo uncle phela abantwana bakabo mamakho.
Yes.
So ukhula nama siblings wakhe lawo.
Yes.
So mamakho ngamanye was violated by ama siblings.
Exactly.
Wakhe umfowabo straight azalwa naye.
Yes. Brother. Blood.
Yes. Bayaphila labantu.
Bayaphila, but the other one uboshiwe, so the two is here, but the other one is not here.
Yeah. Ukosithola istrength nyana sokuthi ukuthi no sengimdala ngikhulile manje I will fight my mom's battles.
Yes.
Okay, relationship yakho nomamakho injani?
I-relationship yami nomama i-right, but i-bora ngokuthi I can't communicate naye.
Yeah.
That's the worst. But yona nje imnandi, i-right, there's understanding, although sinendlela yethu communicate, but we do get each other.
Ibi le ndlela because angithi uyasho ukuthi sign language simlahlekele manje
kana. So sesiyakhomba if makafuna ukuthoilet kumele ukhombe ku-toilet, makafuna amanzi kumele ukhombe nje ngasign ukuthi ufuna ukuphuza. Ayikho enye indlela.
Yo.
Ayikho.
So manje manhleli kubukelwe i-TV nani uyayibukela i-TV mhlamba focus kuma subtitles or something because angithi uyasho ukuthi akezwa akakhulumi.
Yes, uyayibukela, but I don't think ukuthi uyakwazi ukufunda because of amehlo awafocus kakhulu kuma subtitles, anokugijima abaleke abheke eceleni angasafocus e-TV, so I don't think she can read.
Angitshela abantu abanokholo oluncane and abantu abasheshe baphelelwe inhliziyo bavele bayithathe lento bayi-escalate very fast ifikela la ekuthenini lo muntu bafethu uzwile ubuhlungu I think uNkulunkulu ngathi angamkhumbula lale ike across lento engqondweni yakho ukuthi hey man yazi umzali wami you can't wish umzali wakho away, but I'm going to ask a very unfair question. Ukwayicabanga lento ukuthi man ngempela I mean toilet problem yonke into kahlahla inkinga for yena ukwamcabangela ukuthi hey umama Nkosi yami uhluphekile from violation ngapha uza ngapha uhleli ne guilt akakhona ukusitshela ukuthi ubani wamenzani nani ukwayicabanga into ukuthi hey yazini umama kodwa since isikhathi ngathi uNkulunkulu angakamkhumbule.
Serious, I do. ngiyacabanga lento le but since kushone umama wakhe naye akwazile ukumove ngapha although naye angekho right la khona but at least she's free now but yona benginokuyicabanga beyicross emcondweni wami many times nami benginokucabanga ukuthi to witness this thing ngcono nami ngife
eish
because ibhlungu
ay ningakhi kini
kumamami si2
ungakhali man ku right ni 2 uwe nobani ubani
yimi younger brother yami
younger brother inangakhi
una 20
shame uwe understand sekakhulile vele manje
yeah sekakhulile
so yena imbambe njani mamela abantwana you know why ngikhuluma ngalendlela yabona labantu ababukela lama camera wonke ne bayayazi lento ukuthi esikoleni kunokuthiwa iza noma makho uyabona bayazi ukuthi kunokuthiwa namhlanje itrip yahamba esikoleni bayazi ukuthi kunokuthiwa kune family kune meeting yomphakathi uyabo kune meeting ye family so umama wakho akakhona ukuba audience ya anything so nina lento le gap le nivala kanjani this void because obviously nithina you are black sheep of the family you are secluded and these people they despise you and abantu abangathi nina abantu abaqalekisileyo labantu bela bahlalelele thina masilelele
so lento le is affected kakhulu because of ema meeting nama school gathering nani yonke lento edinga umzali phakathi beka ngekaza khona ukuza so umuntu bekakwazi ku-attenda bekuba ugogo nakhona futhi I would get bullied ukuthi ugogo wakho mamakho kanjani amdala kanje so ama questions nje lawa bengathola it was a lot but makuya ngcine nami ngingasena ndaba namanye ama meeting bengasa attend bengasa report ukuthi kune meeting bengivele ngidabula iphepha
manje ngoba kunento ekuthiwa umshado for instance unali iphupho mhlambe because remember umuntu makeshada kuba ne commitment enziwayo but kakhulu abantu ofuna bayi witness immediate family members uyabona so ukwayicabanga lento ngelinye lamalanga ukuthi man mangake kuthiwa relationship ubani who will walk me down the aisle
yes ngiyacabanga yes nami ngiyafisa ukuthi one day nami to walk down the aisle but ngiyowokiswa ubani who will do that
okay all right intwana yakho masokhuluma manihleli nayo ni2 having a conversation nithini manikhuluma nje ngale situation uthini yena ngifuna ukuzwa I'm interested ekuzweni mhlambe iopinion yakhe
okay yena lento im affects kakhulu as awumfana because there was a time whereby bekafuna ngamehlisa entambeni azangizela so lento im affect kakhulu
yes so you couldn't take it ukubona umama kule situation le akuyo so ngabe amagama kumele uphume lapha kumama every time you must condition yourself ukuthi do you mhlambe wish ukuthi ngelanga ngafika isituation ichangeile
yes ngifike mhlambe seka right akwazi ukuzenzela akwazi ukuzisumela asicabangela ukuthi kumele ngiye toilet ingangijabulisa kakhulu
yeah right asike sikhulume ngefamily ke because i structure sibalekile the family component yabona the family tree ugogo make hambile ngama amagama kuhambe the root kuhambe umuntu ophethe yonke into the pulse ye family so ubani osele mhlamba azamile ukuthi anihlangahlanganise because I just want to believe ukuthi akusiwo wonke umuntu okhohlakele ofail there's someone right here oyibukela lento show ukuthi I so wish ngathola inamba yalo mntwana quickly there are people abazelwe and there are people abazele but abanye abantu uthola ukuthi ababanga nenhlanhla ubaba umama baphila kunale gap ukuthi abantwana bekho I so wish ngathola umuntu engam-adopt whether umuntu mncane mdala I've got so many kids mina in my life and when people ask me ngithi kuba nikhuluma ngale nto I so wish ngathi ngaba nabantwana abayi-10 I love big family I'm family oriented people who knows me they know it's not like we are posting or we are post I'm saying I am happy you understand so merely reflect ukuthi I so wish I can inspire someone I understand that the importance okuba ne family so wena kunale gap there's a missing link le ekhona in terms of the family support but ubani okowavelela mhlambe okhona ozamayo ke ukuthi athi no noma ngabe lo malume ongana timing or whatever the case is because ngafuna sibuyele kuye lo malume ubani omunye okhona manilandelela kuma members amanye khona we-family oke wazama ukunihlanganisa maybe
akekho so far abantu abakhona abantu abangaphandle abazamile ukuthi akusi like family straight abantu abangaphandle abazamile ukuthi ba reach out so
kuzongisiza ukwazi ukuthi kahle hle umhlobo bani
umvenda
umvenda amavenda badume kakhulu with big hearts, you know, and I know for a fact they are big also on family. And why I'm saying that is if ubukele YouTube, then ukuyobheka the house, the homes, yeah, no, you'll be striking out. Sinazi izindlu kuthiwa zikhona zila eJoburg nani, but when you go to Venda they invest. I so wish manje ukuthi there would be mhlambe someone okhona laphana. Maybe you need to also if isename uyayazi, are you sure ukuthi isename yakho le khona or now uzwe bathi na isename yakho ubani oyisebenzayo?
Isename yami ngisebenzayo manje uMagwada.
Yeah. Okay, so uMagwada ubani?
Ugogo.
Right, or umama kamama. Oh, okay, fine. So I so wish ukuthi somewhere somehow, because kuhlale kune connection ekhona, someone can connect so that we rekindle the fire. So it is important South Africa ukuthi you know we support sisekelane ngesintu nje esihleli kahle and support, because yiyo imission kaNkulunkulu into esiphilelayo ukwenza sure kunje kuba grand ezweni, kungabi nabantu who are lost in despair. Kusasa intwana yakini seyihamba iyongena ku crime because ufeel ukuthi no I'm rejected, ufeel ukuthi mina I'm the black sheep of the family, mina I'm the reject of the society, akunamuntu ongithandayo. Asifocus kulo malume lo, like I said ukuthi no story side ngifuna ukuthi ngisibambe nje ngisithi real quick. Is there any attempt eke yenzakala mhlambe in terms of the law, because abantu engisheli nabo la kunama lawyer, kunama judge, kunabafundisi, kunabo bishop, so bonke labantu khona abafuna ukwazi, khona abafuna ukuthi basakhe le story kahle and then kube ne follow up to it. So stories kamalume, have you ever tried after you find out ukuthi no umama wareja umntwana kubo? So is there anything mhlambe oke wayenza wena in terms of confrontation, balanda direct ukubuza ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani?
Yes, ngabalanda direct ngibabuza ngoba bayi3 yangithi.
Yeah.
I faced them ngoba lo umunye uboshiwe, so kulethule iyo bengikwazi ukuthi ngikhulume nayo.
Yeah.
Then mangikhuluma nayo baqala ukungilwisa, bangilwisa, then ngagcina sengiyekela. When I went to the local police station bangitshela ukuthi no I can open a rape case ngana proof. Yeah, so that's how it is.
Iyaphela kanjalo. Yes. Yeah, no, I think there are many moving parts to this matter, but however it's going to be very difficult. It will take time. Ayikho into engasettlile, uyabo? But ngifuna way forward. So manje uphila ngani? Niphila kanjani? Niphila ngani nomfana?
Okay, manje ngivolunteer to my local school ne. So siholelwa nge-stipend.
Yeah.
Nangaphandle kwe-stipend i-community yanceda nalabo abantu engibatholile abangisupportayo close family friends I can say.
Yeah.
Bayangizama ukuthi bangincede.
Yeah.
Besides them I'm nothing.
Yeah. All right. Ukhuluma igama elinye ngokwakho wathi ngi-product ye-rape. So I want us to understand ke manje one thing ukuthi wena la ukhona khona manje i-life yakho i-life bani we-structure, because lento sometimes banokuthi ngathi i-hereditary iyadlulela lento uyabona, ifana nofuzo, umuntu oyi-1 bamviolate athola ukuthi bamviolate why nabantwana abanjalo lento kuba ngathi kunebhadi nyana thizeni. Wena your eventualities into ezenzakele mhlambe in your life that were very negative as a result of the situation, yini osazikhumbula kahle?
Izinto ezenzakelile eziningi ukuthi ukuzondwa abantu, ungathandwa abantu, nje bakubhekele phansi nje, kuvele mawuqhamuka like umuntu sekayakunyanya nje ungayenzanga nix, not knowing ukuthi what happened or kwenzakalani. So like I felt very nje.
Yeah. So abantu endaweni yokuhlala are they aware of the situation mhlambe bayibambile, besides obviously mhlambe bazoyizwa abanye for the first time, abanye bayizwile previously on other platforms, bake bayakhuluma manihleli nimamela lena?
Yeah, manje sebaya free ukuthi bayikhulume since ngikhulumile. They come bangitshela ukuthi besisabi ukutshela but yes it happened. They talk freely.
So masobalandelela bathi yenzeke kanjani lento?
Mangibalandelela mabayasho ukuthi no umuntu who used to do this the most ulo oboshiwe osejele manje. She was the one obeka forced umama.
Yeah.
I'm don't say from end because before sizohlala endlini we were staying in a shack.
Yeah.
Now he had a shack outside, so there were 2 shacks. You like but he used to take my mother from the other shack amise umkhukini wakhe by force. And back then begu ama-fence, so obviously abomaki they would see kwenzakalani.
Yeah. So uzongena amfake lapho
Amfake,
ayenze lento ayenzayo.
then amkhiphe after time.
Yeah. So inkinga masolandelela mhlambi bekuphi ukuthi abazi bayamazi bababo like umama wakho ugogo ngiunderstand ushonile kwenzakaleni bababo mhlambi wabashiya amncane bababo washona kwenzakalani ngomkhulu
Umkhulu washona but bayamazi kahle. So angazi ukuthi nakhona makazogula azoshona babesizwana nogogo na into nje bekangayibambi leyo topic.
Yeah. Right. Abo malume baphila ngani nge-intoxication nabo abanama means of production impilo zabo zi-stagnant zimile. What is the situation even including yena lo sejele?
Baphila nje ngemali khona oyi-1 ohola imali esasa. So baphila ngemali yakhe then abasebenzi nalo sejele uyahlupha njalo afuna imali kubo. So yeah. Abana nje impilo straight.
So awusabi ukuthi because umama wa-affecteka naye yini enza ukuthi ume isibindi ukhulume because mawukhuluma ifamily kulayijika khona kakhulu and say yeah wena kahle kahle uyabheda and usikhuluma kabi usibhekisa kabi ngomhlaba or you feel ukuthi kahle kahle vele I've got nothing to lose, I've lost everything, so why would mele ngifihle ngoba awekhamanga kulento engiyikhulumayo?
Vele kunjalo namanje khona abantu abangilisayo ukuthi why ngikhulumile why ngireach outile but mina knowing the truth ngikhulumela umama angeke akwazi ukuza lazo zikhulumela. So at least mangumina umntanakhe ngizomkhulumela it's better. If bazongizonda it's okay, it's fine, but I did the right thing.
Are you in a relationship at this present moment, or how were your past relationships? Of course, I mean kuyahlangana kuhlukana kwabantu.
My relationship yami it wasn't okay because of ingqondo yami bengekho lapho. Ingqondo yami beyihlezi esendlini all the time. Even now in good relationship but I'm not fully committed.
Yeah.
Like in just khambisa isikhathi phela. That's all I can say. Angikho like committed in a way ukuthi manje ngaze ngibeke umuntu enhlizweni yami because I can't. Enhliziyo yami seyikhathele yona self.
But do you still have hope at least ukuthi one day usizo luzofika, whether the help arrives now or it arrives now? Do you have that blessed hope ukuthi?
I do. I have a very big hope ngoba ngiyathandaza each and every day ukuthi ngindlule kulento.
Yeah. How do you keep yourself busy? Because kuningi lokho uyayifuna ingqondo ukuthi uyidistract kancane uyikhohliswa nga something.
Ngiyavolunteer at school so abantwana they keep me busy.
Yeah.
Umsindo abantwana uloku rasela nabantwana at least it's better.
Yeah. Or you've got love for kids. Yeah. So limalanga to an extent yokuthi you don't qualify and abantu sebenza nabo the supervisors are they happy ngomsebenzi wakho?
Yes, they are happy.
Okay, I think South Africa I dingi lento ukuthi siloko si stretcher ibe intende. So I'm going to appeal to you from my mouth to God's ears. I need a destiny helper. We family kasisi so that we really play our part. Kusasa uzothi mawulele nawe makubhaliwe ethuneni lakho usho ukuthi no I had this blessed hope, I had a good life. So nabanye abantu baya deserve ukuthi bathole ibreak. Unani ufuna ukuthi aphumule. We don't expose people and put them on platform because we really want to gain traction among numbers and what have you. We open this platform so that they are means of communication. I hope this won't fall in deaf ears, but izothola a reception at home and your favorable conditions. So if you feel good, you really want to lay a helping hand and to extend that olive branch, ukuthi nabo ke kube nepeace bakhona ukulala bakhona ukucabanga njengabanye abantwana. So isikhathi it's stolen. The devil according to John 10:10 the devil is here to kill, to steal and destroy. So ichontshekile impilo yalabantwana abayi2. So can we help them? Mzansi, I trust you. They are good Samaritans. Bangizwile ukuthi ngitheni. I'm not going to be the advocate. Mina I'm just a voice ukwenza sure ukuthi umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu uyaphushakala. So ngeke ngasho ngathi it's a prophetic word. Some of us siyabantu esiphila lento kufana ukuthi kahle siphila nje testimony, yabona? So this is a calling for me. So Nana, can we just give them maybe your numbers? But before we give them your numbers, ngifuna ukusho ifiso zakho namaphupho nawo of course umuntu uyalala unefiso namaphupho so what is that one or two things ozifisayo in your life ubona ngathi zingaba life changing experience?
Ngifisa ukubuyela esikolweni. If angibuyelanga esikolweni ngithola umsebenzi stable.
Uzokwazi ukuphilela umama ne? All right, asiphane ngenumber nana and then from lapho wena mawubuya la sikhuluma ngama testimonies mawungasabuyanga wena senti izosiza ukuthi na i testimonies uzoyifaka la ukuthi wena ufikile on this day yabo. Give them your full names, your surname, and then a geographic location ukuthi ungakuphi, and then bese you give them your numbers bese siyayifala.
Okay, igama lami uMpho Magwada, ngisuka eDeepkloof Soweto in a location called Zone 5 Mpumelelo Street. I-cell phone number yami is 072-352-5843.
Thank you very much, South Africa. That was a heavy one, but I know ukuthi ngikhuluma nabantu abangizwayo. uNkulunkulu angigcinele nina ke sibonane ku the next episode. Noke nisaphelele nisaphila. Keep well and stay blessed.